TikTok unveils OmniHuman-1, single image to lifelike videos. OmniHuman is a deep learning model that can generate videos from a single image and audio input. It can handle different aspect ratios and body proportions. After watching, don't forget to comment your thoughts about this. So, imagine you have a single photo of a person or character and you want to make that photo come to life as a video. OmniHuman is a new AI tool that can just do that. It's like having a super talented digital puppeteer. You give it a photo and then you can also give it some motion signal. The signals can be things like audio, a person's voice talking or singing; video, a video of someone else making similar movement, both a combination of audio and video. OmniHuman then uses these signals to figure out how the person in the photo should move and act. It's really good at this. Even if the signals are weak, like just audio, it's so good that the videos it creates look surprisingly realistic. Currently, they do not offer services or downloads anywhere. Please be cautious of fraudulent information. They will provide timely updates on future developments. I have muted the videos with songs for copyright reasons. Generated videos. OmniHuman supports various visual and audio styles. It can generate realistic human videos at any aspect ratio and body proportions: portrait, half body, full body, all in one, with realism stemming from comprehensive aspects including motion, lighting, and texture details. Talking. OmniHuman can support input of any aspect ratio in terms of speech. It significantly improves the handling of gesture, which is a challenge for existing methods, and produces high realistic results.
You will become. And I know about this because I had the opportunity to stand on top of the Olympic podium and feel the weight of that gold medal around my neck. And I wouldn't have been there had it not been for the
Boring is easy. Everybody can be boring, but you're gooder than that. Life is not a game, people. Life isn't a cereal either. Well, it is a cereal. And if life is a game, are we on the same team?
What would art be like without emotions? It would be empty. What would our lives be like without emotions? They would be empty of values. So a famous classical poet said, "We hate and we love. Can one tell me why?" Catullus. Science does not answer why questions.
Diversity. In terms of input diversity, OmniHuman supports cartoons, artificial objects, animals, and challenging poses, ensuring motion characteristics match each style's unique features.
Yes, this is his position in 2 words. A little while since, he obtained an excellent offer of employment abroad from a rich relative of his, and he had made all his arrangements to accept it.
Oh, nothing. Just, stretching before we hit the aisles. Shopping is the #1 cause of pulled hamstrings. Probably didn't know that.
做人如果没梦想，那跟咸鱼有什么分别啊？
Boring is easy. Everybody can be boring, but you're gooder than that. Life is not a game, people. Life isn't a cereal either. Well, it is a cereal. And if life is a game, are we on the same team?
希望我的小猫永远健康，永远快乐，长命百岁，好不好？
More half-body cases with hands. Here, we also provide additional examples specifically showcasing gesture movements. Some input images and audio came from TED, Paxels, and AIGC.
Give people something to believe in, and they will move from you and me to us. And
I work, when I get the accolades, when I go in fleets and flights, and when people say that they have read my autobiography or they have read my books, then I understand that what
this was how I was making an impact in the lives of my 60 students. So
我不后悔遇见你，更不后悔喜欢上你。谢谢你给我带来的快乐，只希望你每天都开心。
Ladies and gentlemen, as a new client of Home Instead and friend and former neighbor of Lori and Paul Hogan, I am so honored to be chosen to offer the invocation this evening.
more portrait cases. Here, we also include a section dedicated to portrait aspect ratio results, which are derived from test samples in Celeb 5 HQ dataset.
Όταν κάποιος είναι ερωτευμένος, μπορούμε να πούμε την έκφραση «τον πονάει το δοντάκι». Αυτό δεν...
现在住台南，租房子，因为工作的关系。
And just explore all the musical theater options out there, but don't just stick for the song that everyone thinks is amazing. Back in the 80s, men, remember? No man, no madness. So no one was...
Parce que j'ai toujours habité à Paris et dans tous les cas, j'aime beaucoup la capitale, il y a tout.
You want me to tell people that I've spoken with God?
Yes.
They'll put me away.
I'm tired of all the talk that I may be dead.
We would be justified to seek vengeance. But instead, we will choose peace. We must choose peace.
Singing. OmniHuman can support various music styles and accommodate multiple body poses and singing forms. It can handle high-pitched songs and display different motion styles for different types of music. Compatibility with video driving. Due to OmniHuman's mixed condition training characteristics, it can support not only audio driving but also video driving to mimic specific video action, as well as combined audio and video driving to control specific body parts like recent minutes.
But how do we produce food without destroying nature? How do we deliver to 10 billion people affordable, nutritious, and sustainable food?
They stated that images and audio used in their demos are from public sources or generated by models and are solely used to demonstrate the capabilities of this research work. If there are any concern, please contact them and they will delete it in time. As you can see, I believe they already deleted some videos.